Hey guys, in this video today I'm going to walk you through how we have created a custom agent. It's a chatbot where it will help e-commerce brands bridge that digital gap. Essentially what this does is when somebody comes onto the website, they can then ask the chatbot a couple of questions. They can fill in maybe the preferences of a customer, who they're gifting a product to, and then they get recommendations off the back of that. It's came around because it's coming into Q4 now. It's an important time of the year. It's gifting season. And again, a lot of people that come on kind of need their hand held. There's no physical touch points online. So I think that this would be a nice feature when somebody puts in maybe the preferences of the recipient, what their interests are, and then getting a nice product recommendation back with maybe the description of the products too and a link to them. Again, all of the resources for this video will be in our skill community. They're all free there. The prompts that we use, how we've trained the AI agents. All you've got to do is follow the link in the description. I'll leave that down there. So I'm just going to get straight into the test store that we've created and some of the thought processes, and we can go through and actually use the chatbot in real time. Okay, guys, so we're in our test store here now that we're after creating. We've just used the kids' toy store. It's coming up to Q4 now and Christmas. It's gifting season, as I mentioned. So people may be buying for their kid. They also may be buying for a relative or a friend. So again, when you come onto these stores, there could be lots of products, lots of different categories. You're kind of frozen by choice, and there's no physical touch point for somebody to give you a hand and help you through the process. So what we've created here off the back of this, and this could be integrated to your Shopify or any other of your pieces of tech that you have, but what we've done is we've connected to some dummy data here. So you can see we've got a list of the products, the names, the prices, stocks, the tags of the products, the ages that they're suited to, and then the product description. And then also off the back of this, we actually have the orders as well. So this could actually be used as an order tracking system too. Today, we're just going to go through the product recommendation. So you'll see down here, we're after connecting this chatbot to the database here. So what I'm going to do is you'll see you can track my order, you can shop bestsellers, I need a gift idea, and what's my returns policy. So it says, how can I help you today? Well, I need a gift idea. So from here, it's going to say, I can help with that. Give me the best idea. Could you tell me a little bit more? So how old the person is that you're buying for, what kind of things that they enjoy. So I'm going to put in the age. So the age is 4 years old and they love outdoor toys. So what this is going to do now, it's going to go back to the database. It's going to look at all the products. It's going to analyze it and it's going to give us an output. As I said, all of the prompts and how we train the agents are all available in our skill community. A link to that is in the description of the video. So you can see here straight away, it's now giving us some recommendations back. So here are a few great ideas for a 4-year-old who loves outdoor play. Ride on balance bike, and then it gives the description. Again, 4 to 10 years of age. The kids camping adventure set. Complete a pop-up tent and tools for backyard. Again, 4 to 10 years of age. Links to the products within this database. We would then be able to link to the products as well on the store. So again, really, really good. This can be tailored across many different industries. I know I play golf myself, and I know if I went on to a golf store and I was kind of unsure of what products to buy, I would need somebody there to hold my hand. I would know that what handicap I'm off, I'd know my swing speed, I'd know what clubs I currently play. And from there, if I had a chatbot to kind of talk through that and who was trained in the background with some really, really good data, they could actually bridge that digital gap for me. And I may not actually need to go to a store either, which would definitely help. And I'm sure it would definitely help the conversion rate on a website, because the customer buying cycle and for buying a higher AOV product may need to bridge that digital gap a little more. And I think this is where it will actually come into play a little bit better for brands that have really high AOV, that you can kind of ask those questions and bridge that digital gap too. This is just an example of what we have here. Again, I'll show you the order tracking feature too. So if I just come in here and I say my order number is this, and then I'll ask the chatbot where my order is. I'll say I am wondering where my order is, and then it will come back and I'll give the answers to that too off the back of this. So thanks for providing. Your order number is this for the classic wooden built block set and my first puzzle collection. was received at the 7th of the 10th. Looks like it's just getting started. Would you like to check anything else? So again, you can plug any information into this in the back of your database and tailor it to yourself. Come back to the flow of how this works. As I mentioned in my few previous videos, we've got automations that are just Lego blocks stacked on top of each other. And then you can have automations with just a little bit of a hint of AI to leverage AI. And then we have the AI agent. So how we've built this agent is we've got an input, which is the chatbot. It could be WhatsApp or other triggers. Then from here, we've got a number of tools. So after syncing in the databases, so the spreadsheets, and then the questions it's going to ask itself is, what tool should I use and in which order? So we have trained this agent to answer in specific sequence and steps. And this is the agent here. It's pretty simple. Has a returns policy, has the orders, has the products, has the memory, and then it remembers what it will have said before, and it has all of the training within the AI agent. So again, if anybody has any questions, happy to answer them in the school community. I'll leave a link to all of these details in the description of the video below. Hope you enjoyed this one.